Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this analysis video we would see where can Nifty and Nifty Bank make a move tomorrow. So viewing Nifty Bank on daily time frame, you can see that as I have stated that 17,100 level would act as a strong resistance, and it took support from those levels, bounced back up, and yesterday I stated that there are only couple of days to go for monthly expiry, and as you can see there was a huge sell off in this month. So there was a huge possibility of short covering, and you could see how sharply Nifty Bank rose around 1200 points and closed at around 18,711. So one short note which I would like to tell, that what short covering is. Short covering is whenever big institutional players have heavy short positions at the end of month, before 1 or 2 days of expiry, they begin to cover their short positions, and because of that covering you see a huge rally. You can also see on 29th of April, 30th April was last month 30th April was last month's monthly expiry, and you can see on 29th of April Nifty Bank almost shot around 1000 points. This is what you need to analyze, and this would give you confidence to trade and make you consistently profitable. So let's view Nifty Bank on 15-minute time frame. Nifty Bank opened gap up as stated yesterday. It showed weak bearish momentum and then it went up. If you missed to capture this move, one thing I stated yesterday was, if 18,000 levels are broken with strong volume, and they did broke with strong volume, and I had also stated that 18,200 has become very weak. So if 18,000 is broken with strong volume, 18,200 is for sure to be broken, and Nifty Bank broke those levels and rallied up to 18,900. So I really try to keep things very simple, and my setups are also really very simple so that you can trade. There is no point in messing up your chart by drawing thousands of different lines and just making a mess of your chart and not being able to trade or capture a good move. So my expectations for Nifty Bank tomorrow are, Nifty Bank is set to open gap up tomorrow. As you could see, the next level for Nifty Bank would be 19,000 level as resistance, which would also act as a psychological level for Nifty Bank, and the next resistance which it would face would be around 19,350 levels. On lower side you can see support at around 18,500 levels. So tomorrow is weekly expiry as well as monthly expiry, so you could expect is sideways trending action in the later half, and you could expect rally in the first half of the market. One thing you must note, that this rally is not showing the strength in the markets. This is just signifying that the shorts are being covered. So let's look at Nifty50. In fact, Nifty50 was appearing to be weak, but because of strong banking sector, as banks are heavily oversold, Nifty also shot up, because in the earlier half all the big giants TCS, Reliance, HDFC were trading on lower side. So as you can see on daily time frame in Nifty50, 9,350 level would be very crucial for Nifty because of this gap, and this gap has not completely been filled, so you can expect some resistance around this level. Once these levels are broken, then 19,500 would be level to check out for, and on lower side now 9,200 and 9,000 levels would act as a strong support. So let's view Nifty50 on 15-minute time frame. So 9,250 would be the first level which I would look for as a strong support region, and on the upside 19,500 would be the first level, and below 19,500, 9,420 range would also act as a strong support. So I would prefer option selling at around 9,400 levels and around 9,250 levels, depending upon how the market opens tomorrow. And most likely market is set to open gap up. If it opens exactly at 9,350, the resistance, then you could see a small pullback and then a move higher upwards. You need to really have very easy setups. As stated yesterday, that 9,000 level would act as strong support for Nifty. Nifty came here around 9,002 levels, tested it, and made a huge rally on upside. So it was a buy. You need to analyze markets in this way, and you need to have faith on your analysis. If anything goes wrong, what would be the worst case? Your stop loss would get it. But if you have faith on your analysis and understand how market works fundamentally, then today mostly you would have captured this complete move of Nifty. So thank you friends, happy learning, happy trading. Tomorrow, based on how market opens and what level market opens, I would update on my Twitter handle. So for more update regarding crucial levels and turning points, you could follow me on my Twitter handle. The link is given in description below.